Good afternoon, Boomers. Brian Tong from Boomer Life here with you on December 3rd of 2021. Can you believe it? It's almost Christmas time. Ho hum. So, what are you going to do about it? Well, stuff is scarce. Online shopping is always been my favorite. So, I stumbled into some stuff, some unique stuff that I think people will actually want. I know I did. So I got some links on my blog here at boomerlife.net. And you can, if your people like mine are impossible to buy for, you need to look for unique stuff. So I found some cool stuff you might like, and I'm going to attach some links to the blog, and you can buy them directly from my blog for the same price you would pay on Amazon. Except that if you buy them from here, Jeff Bezos will have to send me just a little tiny bit of his profits. He can afford it. And every little bit helps. So check this stuff out. First off, I stumbled into these Eco Max fuel savers. Little gizmos that'll save you 10 to 15% on your gas bill. You plug it into the mount under the dash that every vehicle has. And with gas prices what they are, this little $26 computer program tool will pay for itself in days. Promise you. Next is the Ontel Power Pod. Now, these are really cool little gizmos. They look like a key fob, but it's a phone charger, which is rechargeable itself. So you carry it like a keychain, and when your phone dies and you're not near a charger, you can simply plug this into your phone, and bingo, it's quickly recharged until you get home. Works for iPhone and Android, and for $20, you can't beat it. I bought 7 of them today. Okay, next I have the Sunny Health and Fitness Recumbent Bike with Arm Exercisers. Now, a lot of people, when I went through my knee rehab, Recumbent Bike got me bending my legs again. And it was just a sit and pedal thing. Didn't really get my heart rate up, didn't really get me sweating. But I also was not in a position to climb on a regular bike and be pedaling away at that point. So if you've got bad knees and you don't want to be on a bike, but you want to be able to get your heart rate up and you want to get some exercise and use your arms as well, this Sunny Health and Fitness Recumbent Bike with Arm Exercisers is a really good unit. And it's under $300. So buy one for yourself for Christmas since no one else will. They go for like $700 in the big box stores, and it'll help you get yourself back in shape. And this one holds up to 350 pounds. So if you're a big lummox like me, you won't break it. Next is noise canceling earbuds. And I did a lot of research on what the best ones are for the money. And I think everybody's in agreement that the Sony XM4s are the best thing going. These are great noise canceling, sound voice calling capabilities with good battery life and a compact design that comes in a pocket-sized case. For under $300, these puppies will drown out all the noise from the puppies and the grandkids. And if you like one that fits over the top of your ears, they also make a headset that's at the same price point. It has multi-point Bluetooth pairing, so you can connect 2 devices like your phone and your PC at the same time. And when a call comes in while you're using your computer, the audio will switch to your phone when you answer your call. So it's very functional. For those of you who are internet struggling, like I was for many months and years, this will make things simpler for you. So, not to overwhelm you, that's just what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little products that I think will help you get started on your Christmas shopping with some stuff that people will actually want. So that's it for today, Boomers. Everybody have a great day. It's perfect weather outside. Go get some exercise, keep your blood flowing, eat some protein, and have fun tonight. That's it. Brian Tong, Boomer Life out.